What's up guys, welcome back to another fun creative photography video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to get some really awesome shots just like the ones you just saw using these fun little toy cars that you can pretty much pick up anywhere nowadays, even your local pharmacy, dollar store, and shops just like that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in this video and I'm going to show you step by step how to get really cool images like this. Now a couple of things first is you'll notice that I use this black matte just to give us some nice reflections in the photos themselves. I found this worked a little bit better than a whiter or brighter color. And then I also used this glass which allowed us to get that beautiful reflection in the photos as well. Another really important piece to this is using a tripod. Since we are using a very slow shutter speed, it's extremely important that you have a tripod to shoot these images on to make sure that you don't get any camera shake and your photos are really sharp. Now because we are shooting at a very slow shutter speed, you want to make sure that you have all the lights off to only let in the light coming from the laptop. Now I used a couple of different photos and different colors because I thought some would work better than others, and it was just really cool to see how the colors affected the reflections and the light all over the little cars. This is something I highly recommend you do because it definitely makes it a really fun creative experience. And guys, that is going to wrap up this fun creative photography video with these cool little cars. I hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoyed the images. I hope you can actually use this and apply it when you go out and take some photos too, so you can really get some interesting shots as well. Now guys, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help the channel continue to grow. And if you're not already subscribed, consider doing so. We have fresh content coming out for you every single week. And also don't forget to hit that bell notification so you know exactly when a fresh video hits the channel. Now with that said guys, thanks for watching and I will see you all in the next one.